Did you know that over 1 billion passengers fly each year? With so many people traveling, it's no wonder that finding the right way to pack is essential. Surprisingly, 63% of travelers admit to overpacking, leading to stress and chaos at the airport. Imagine fighting to close your bag or scrambling to find your passport while the line moves forward. Packing a personal item bag for a flight doesn't have to be a hassle. With a few smart strategies, you can keep everything organized and easily accessible. In this video, we'll share 6 travel organization hacks that will transform your packing game. From clever ways to fit your essentials to keeping your tech safe and creating a cozy in-flight comfort kit, these tips will help you travel like a pro. So, get ready to discover how to make your next flight smoother and more enjoyable. Chapter 1. Tetris your essentials. Space-saving packing secrets. Packing a personal item bag can feel like playing Tetris, finding the right pieces and fitting them into just the right spot. The key is to maximize space without overstuffing. One great trick is rolling your clothes instead of folding them. This not only saves space but also helps prevent wrinkles. Did you know rolling clothes can save up to 20% more space than traditional folding? Another clever idea is to use packing cubes. These zippered pouches help compress your clothes and keep things organized. You'll know exactly where everything is, which means no more digging around mid-flight to find that one thing at the bottom of your bag. Next, make use of every corner of your bag. Stuff socks or small accessories inside your shoes to save space. This is a game changer for those who pack shoes in their personal item bags. Shoes often take up a lot of room, so why not use them as storage? For toiletries, grab some travel-size containers and pack just what you need. A lot of people overpack on this front, but the truth is, you don't need a giant bottle of shampoo for a weekend trip. According to a travel study, 75% of travelers pack items they don't use on their trips. Stick to the basics, and you'll find that packing light is actually much easier than you think. Lastly, balance your bag. Heavier items should go at the bottom to prevent it from tipping over, while frequently needed items should be easily accessible. Think of it as a well-organized closet on the go. Everything has its place. Chapter 2. Pocket power. Maximize every hidden compartment. When it comes to travel bags, pockets are your best friend. Many bags come with hidden compartments that often go unnoticed. Use them. These pockets are perfect for storing small items like chargers, earbuds, and keys. They also help keep things separate, so you're not searching for your headphones tangled up in a bunch of cables. Most travel backpacks have a built-in anti-theft pocket on the back, which is great for storing valuables like your passport, wallet, or even a phone. It's one of the safest places to keep important items because it's nearly impossible for someone else to access while you're wearing the bag. Another smart pocket trick? Dedicate a small, zippered pocket to your snacks. Not only does it keep them separate from your other stuff, but it also makes grabbing a snack mid-flight much easier. A study by the U.S. Department of Transportation found that 43% of air travelers feel more relaxed when they have easy access to food. Keeping a snack stash handy can make long flights feel a little less grueling. If your bag has side mesh pockets, use them for water bottles. Staying hydrated on a flight is crucial, but airport water prices are ridiculous. Bringing your own empty bottle to fill up at a water fountain saves money and keeps you hydrated throughout the journey. Finally, consider using a dedicated tech pocket for your gadgets. Some personal item bags have fleece-lined or padded pockets that protect your electronics. These are perfect for phones, tablets, and e-readers, giving you peace of mind that your gadgets are safe while in transit. Chapter 3. Snack stash strategy. Healthy nibbles for the air. Packing snacks for a flight might seem simple, but there's an art to it. You want items that are not only tasty but also nutritious and travel-friendly. Did you know almonds are a great travel snack? They're packed with protein, easy to store, and won't get crushed in your bag. A single ounce of almonds, about 23 nuts, provides 6 grams of protein and 4 grams of fiber, making it the perfect snack to keep you full and energized during your flight. Another snack idea is protein bars. Look for ones that aren't too sticky or crumbly. No one wants a mess in their bag. Choose bars with natural ingredients, as they provide more lasting energy than sugary options. For fresh options, consider packing cut-up vegetables like carrots or celery sticks. These snacks are low-calorie, hydrating, and easy to store in small containers. A study from the International Journal of Obesity found that people who ate vegetables during long flights felt more refreshed and less bloated upon landing compared to those who snacked on processed foods. If you prefer something sweet, opt for dried fruits like apricots or raisins. These provide a quick sugar boost without taking up much room. Pair them with some nuts or seeds, and you've got yourself a simple trail mix that won't weigh down your bag. Lastly, pack snacks in resealable bags or containers. Not only does this keep them fresh, but it also lets you portion out servings ahead of time. A little planning goes a long way in ensuring your snack game is strong throughout your flight. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks and advice. Chapter 4. Gadget Guru. Keep your tech safe and accessible. Keeping your tech organized while traveling can be tricky, especially if you're packing a laptop, tablet, phone, and chargers. But with the right strategy, it's easy to stay organized and keep your gadgets safe. The first tip is to use dedicated tech pockets. Many modern personal item bags come with padded compartments specifically designed for laptops and tablets. These pockets protect your devices from bumps and scratches, which is especially important if you're going to be shoving your bag under an airplane seat. One overlooked tech tip is to label your chargers. If you're carrying multiple devices, each with its own cord, it's easy to mix them up. A small piece of tape with the device's name can save you a lot of frustration when you're digging for the right cable mid-flight. Plus, labeling your cords helps avoid the dreaded tangled mess that so many of us have faced. Speaking of cables, consider investing in a cable organizer. These slim cases have elastic loops to hold cords in place, which keeps them from tangling and makes it super easy to pull out just the one you need. According to a survey by TravelTech, 67% of travelers lose or forget their charging cables during trips. Keeping them all in one spot reduces the risk of losing them. Another smart move is to keep your devices easily accessible for airport security. Laptops and tablets often need to be removed from your bag during screening, so packing them in a way that lets you quickly pull them out without disrupting everything else is key. A quick access zipper can be a lifesaver here. Finally, don't forget to pack a portable charger. Flights often don't have easily accessible outlets, and nothing's worse than your phone dying when you need it. Look for a lightweight charger that can power up multiple devices on a single charge. That way, you'll stay connected throughout your trip. Chapter 5. In-Flight Comfort Kit. Create a mini oasis. Flying can be uncomfortable, but you can create your own little oasis in the sky with a well-packed comfort kit. Start with a lightweight travel pillow. Neck pillows that can be compressed and stored easily in your bag are ideal. Foam pillows tend to be the most comfortable, providing better support than inflatable ones. Did you know that neck pain is one of the top complaints among frequent flyers? A study from the Spine Journal found that using a travel pillow significantly reduces neck discomfort during long flights. Next up is your eye mask. A good, blackout eye mask is crucial for catching some sleep on a flight, especially if you're dealing with time zone changes. Consider one made of silk or cotton for added comfort, and make sure it's adjustable. Pair this with a set of noise-canceling earplugs or headphones. Even if you're not trying to sleep, blocking out airplane noise can help you relax and make the flight more enjoyable. According to a study in ergonomics, high noise levels on flights contribute to increased passenger fatigue. Noise reduction is key to staying refreshed. Another must-have in your comfort kit is moisturizer and lip balm. The air in airplanes is notoriously dry, so keeping your skin hydrated is essential. Small, TSA-approved containers of lotion, face mist, and lip balm can go a long way in making you feel comfortable. You should also pack a scarf or lightweight blanket. Planes can be chilly, and even if the airline provides blankets, they're often thin or not very clean. A scarf is a versatile item that can act as a blanket, pillow, or even extra padding for your seat. Lastly, pack a small hygiene kit with items like hand sanitizer, facial wipes, and breath mints. Keeping fresh during a flight can make a big difference, especially on longer trips. By packing a compact comfort kit, you're setting yourself up for a much more pleasant journey. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to subscribe for more travel advice and hacks to enhance your travel experience.